Today on Designing Spaces, ways to provide in-home care for your loved one, smart tire choices, how to comfortably multi-purpose your home office, web protection solutions, and live expert advice from Frontdoor. Time to design.
You or your parent may have already made the decision to grow old at home and bring in caregivers, but then there's that all-important question, who can you trust? Todd Houghton from HomeWatch Caregivers, an award-winning home care expert, is back to answer that all-important question as we continue our Aging at Home series. Todd, welcome back. This is a big one.
Thanks for having me back. I appreciate it.
Great to have you. So when it comes to bringing caregivers into our homes, there is no doubt what we are all concerned about most, is there?
It's true. Trust, trust, and trust.
Yes, sir.
The hugest component, largest component of what we should be concerned about. You know, the aging population is having somebody come into the home that they're not familiar with, so they really want to make sure that the person that is coming in, it's going to be safe and secure for them.
Yes, you can't bring enough importance to that, can you? It's got to be someone you trust. Here is the million-dollar question. Where do we find someone like that?
Well, from HomeWatch Caregivers' perspective, we are looking at caregivers in a very unique way, right? Not only do we do background checks, which is standard in the industry, but we really focus on the training that our caregivers are going to receive. We have our HomeWatch Caregivers Academy, which really helps people be ready to go into very unique situations, giving them the training that they need to be focused on the individual that they might be facing.
How do the connections get made once the caregiver and the person they're working with actually start to work together? It must be a really rewarding process.
It is, right? You see caregivers have this, passion for what they do, and they really become part of the family. Caregiver is the one that's closest to that client in most cases. Family members live more than 60 miles away, typically, through our research. So, the client wants somebody that they can trust, that they can share things with, and that's helping them on a daily basis. So it just really becomes their best friend.
Yeah, it really is a special thing that you do, because when you think about it, aging at home is a privilege, and bringing anyone into your home to help give you care, companionship, that's a great privilege too, isn't it?
It absolutely is. And the aging population right now is not used to having somebody come into the home to help with services. I think, in the next 10 years, that will change a little bit, because people that are maybe in their late 50s, early 60s today that will need care in 10 years are used to having people come into the home more to provide different types of services. So it will become more commonplace, but today it's all about the trust and really understanding who is coming into your home.
You do such a great job of it. Where can we find out more about HomeWatch Caregivers?
You can go to our website at homewatchcaregivers.com.
And you can also, of course, go to designingspaces.tv. So great to have you.
I'm Christina Nicolson, and on this episode of Designing Spaces, we are talking tire safety, literally where the rubber meets the road. And I am joined with Chelsea Ponzo, an expert from Continental Tires. Chelsea, thank you for being here.
Thank you so much for having me, Christina.
I'm glad you're on my driveway. We have my SUV, and I'm so excited to learn some fundamentals. Tell me something every driver should know.
That's a great question. So your tires really are where your vehicle meets the road. So we're going to go over some key things today, like air pressure, tread depth, and handling capabilities that different tires give you for when you're driving around with your family or yourself.
All right, let's walk around the car and learn something.
Let's do it.
Let's talk about this car specifically and the tires on it. What should I be looking at?
This vehicle right here comes with our Cross Contact LX Sports. And so this is a great tire for a crossover vehicle right here. It's designed for handling for all season. So that means it's got the ability to be a little bit of wet, a little bit of snow, just a little bit, and dry conditions as well on the highway and around town. But as we get into the performance and making sure that this tire is operating at the best conditions for you, we're gonna have to go over some things like tread depth and air pressure.
Those are two things that, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know anything about and I don't check, so teach me.
All right, so both of these should probably be monitored about once a month, and it's not just that TPMS sensor in your car telling you the air pressure. It's always good to come out here and do a check yourself just to make sure all those electronics are working as proper and that you're getting the most life out of your tire. So let's go on down here and let's go through an inspection on this tire.
Okay.
So air pressure is going to be done right here, and there's actually a really simple tool to do that, and it's an air pressure gauge. And you're just going to come down here, you're going to take your valve stem cover off, and you're going to turn it on, and you're going to check your air pressure just like that. And what's going to be important here is making sure that this air pressure matches what's in the driver's side door of your vehicle, because that's going to ensure your tire is operating at the proper inflation pressure for the best performance.
Okay, that's easy enough.
Super easy. Now, the next thing is tread depth, and this is really important for the handling conditions of a tire. So as a tire wears down, it's going to lose some of these wonderful features. So you see in here, you've got all of these grooves and all of these sipes and all of this technology in this tire, making sure that it's giving you the best performance and handling on the road. But as your tread wears down, you're going to need to make sure that this tire is still safe. And that can be done with a super simple tool that all of us have, a penny. So Abe's head is key here. You're going to want Abe's head down in this groove here. So not out here in this deeper groove, and you're going to have a few of them in this tire.
Right.
And as long as Abe's head's covered, you're good to go. It means your tire is still giving you good performance and your traction and your handling. But if you can see Abe's head at all, now it's time to head to your tire dealer and go ahead and get your tires replaced.
Okay, Chelsea, you've taught me a lot. You've taught me about checking the tread, checking the tire pressure, but what do I look for if I need to buy new tires?
ContinentalTire.com is a great starting point because you can put in your vehicle type, you can put in your tire size, or you can search by your plate to really get the right tire. And then from there, depending on the type of vehicle, whether you have a crossover, an SUV, a pickup truck, an electric vehicle, or an ultra high performance car, we can get you into the right tire for your vehicle. This is a winter tire. It's designed for snow and ice and to help with handling and braking in those conditions. But then, say you've got that sports car, you know, you have your fun weekend driver. That's what this tire down here is for. This tire even has some fun features designed on the tire. It has this D, this W, and this S. D for dry, W for wet, and S for snow. And as this tire wears down, you will see these letters go away, and it's telling you where that tire is still optimally performing at. So if the S is gone, it's not going to be as good of a snow tire as it was. It meant for light snow. And then the W for wet, your wet traction's going away, and the D for dry. So it gives you a visual indicator to also know what the performances are.
I love that, but there are so many brands of tires. So tell me how I know not just what tire to buy for the kind of car I'm driving and where I'm living, you got that covered. But what about a brand of tires? Because there's so many, so how do I choose?
So for us at Continental, we believe in our total confidence warranty because we want you to have a confidence when you're selecting your tire to feel safe with your family, your friends, yourself, at getting from point A to point B.
Thank you so much, Chelsea.
Thank you, Christina.
All right, and if you want more information, just head to continentaltire.com, and as always, you can find everything on our website at designingspaces.tv.
We are here once again with some more helpful tips based on the phase of life you're in, and that's why we're calling this series Designing Phases. Get it? And to help us again is Anna Arun. She's an expert from Coddle, and she's here to offer some tips made not just for this space that we're in, but also for the phase we're in as well. Anna, welcome back. Great to have you.
Great to be back here.
So Anna, this phase seems to actually be more than just a phase. I think the era of the home office is here to stay, and it's like stronger than ever. And I think we're also demanding a lot more from that home office space. Am I right?
That's right.
I believe it. So let's see how we can make the most of this space, of course, with your help.
Okay.
You ready?
Here we go.
All right. Wow, Anna, you have really outdone yourself here. This is a gorgeous home office. I could really love to work in this office. What are some of the things that you would have to think about when you're trying to make a home office space like this today?
Well, that's a great question. You know, remote working has become a reality for most of us.
Yes, it has.
When you pick furniture for this kind of space or you design this kind of room, we have to think about it a little more and think about it being a little more versatile and functional.
Most of the time nowadays, you do have to think about using a room for more than what it was originally intended for. That's
right.
the world we're living in.
Because space is becoming limited, right? Homes are becoming smaller, so why not use it for more, right?
Yes, and then you can use, you're saying that you could use this later on, if someone comes over, you can make that same space into a guest room. You got 2 rooms in 1 space.
That's right.
So how do we use this couch for both purposes?
Well, let me show you.
All right, let me see.
This particular couch is intended to be used as a sitting surface first, of course, and also a sleeping surface.
Okay.
Normal sofas are full-sized sofas, meaning standard size of sofas, are made for a living room, right? Larger rooms.
True.
Since this is a smaller
a little
room,
smaller.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's a smaller silhouette, right? It's
I love that.
intentionally made like that. And that's because we don't want the room to look smaller. If you put larger furniture, it looks smaller,
It diminishes the size of the room.
Exactly.
Yes, very practical.
So this is a full-size sleeping surface. So it still serves the purpose, and yet it doesn't make the room look small.
And it takes a full-size sheet, I imagine?
That's exactly right.
All
so you'd
right.
like to do it with me?
Yes.
Let's
Show
do
me
it.
how this becomes a guest room.
Yes, let's do it. Step 1, the pillow down.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Step 2,
Pull this
Boom.
forward. Okay. 2.
see? Step 3.
And this is step 3.
we go.
All right. Easy.
How easy was that?
Easy.
Right?
So easy.
Then you can either use this as a headrest,
Okay, like
or you can
this.
put it up.
Or we can set them aside. Okay.
you go.
And then what happens in the morning?
You put it right back,
Okay.
right?
And what's
Then
step 1?
Step 1.
Yep. 1.
Excellent. Step 2.
Okay.
Perfect.
So
And
easy.
step 3.
It practically closes and folds itself.
As easy as that.
Done. Beautiful. I love this concept. So many people can relate to this because so many of us, including myself, when I'm not on camera, I'm working at home. Anna, thank you so much for being here. This is a fantastic tip. And for more information like this, check out the Coddle website at coddleme.com or our website, designingspaces.tv, and watch for some more designing phases tips in the future from the experts at Coddle, only here on Designing Spaces. All right, we got some work to do. Should we get the computer out?
Yes.
Come on. Let me show you something.
In today's digital world, technology is part of everyday life. But with more time online comes more ways you can fall victim to cyber threats.
That's why many families are turning to Webroot, a trusted name in cybersecurity, to help keep their devices, personal information, and loved ones safe. For the Washington family, that protection has become an everyday essential.
When I first discovered Webroot, it was because I lent my laptop to my brother. The next time that I went to work on my laptop, it completely crashed and I had no idea what to do with it. I took it to a place where they, fix computers, and the guy there was unable to recover anything on my computer. And he recommended that I get some kind of security on my computer, and he recommended Webroot.
Webroot's mission statement is to secure the digital life of all of our customers in a easy to use, simple way. And so we want to make sure that cybersecurity protection is not only accessible, but easy for the end user who doesn't have to be tech savvy and doesn't need to understand how cybersecurity works in order to use our product.
Webroot has been an extremely good fit for my family because of the fact that we have not had to think about it at all. Because of the security that it provided, you don't think about it. When you have that peace of mind, knowing that something's taken care of, you kind of can check it off the list of things that you're, concerned about or worried about every day.
Cybersecurity is so important because we're online more than ever before. And cyber threats and cyber criminals are smarter than ever before. They have these tools like AI that allows them to get code what might have taken them weeks or months before. Now they have it in a matter of seconds. We offer antivirus, and we offer identity theft protection as well as unlimited backup for your devices. And then also we have VPN for privacy. So whether you're traveling and connecting to public Wi-Fi, you know you're always protected.
We have moved quite a bit. We've gone from Virginia to Florida, Chicago, South Korea, Guam. And so we've moved around, and everywhere we moved, Webroot has been with us for the last 15 years. So it's traveled with us wherever we went.
Well, I've had Webroot now since 2010, so I've had it for 15 years. And because of the reliability and the peace of mind, I'd be crazy to change it now.
Cybersecurity shouldn't be intimidating, and that you shouldn't feel like you're alone. I think it's amazing that Lamora shared her experience with her dad and was able to bring him in. I've worked in the industry for 10 years. I'm not going to try to act like I know what next threat's going to happen, because threats are always evolving. But the good thing is there are simple solutions like Webroot, and you know that you're protected, so you don't have to worry about it being part of your everyday. You can enjoy that time with your family and enjoy that time watching your kids grow up and traveling, and know that cybersecurity like Webroot is working in the background protecting you. And if there is an issue, you'll get alerts so that you can reach out for help.
If you want the peace of mind of not having to worry about getting stuff on your computer like viruses or anything like that, Webroot is proven in my experience to be the best at doing so. There really isn't a better one. I've tried the others and they just didn't measure up. I think it's awesome knowing that I'm the one who brought Webroot into the family, especially since it's provided this like security for everybody, because I wasn't tech savvy. I mean, I knew a little bit more than mom and dad, but not very much more. And so to have the pride of knowing that I was like catalyst in this whole thing, and now being 15 years, it's kind of cool. I'm like, yeah, I did that. I know stuff.
For James and his family, the right protection simply means more peace of mind and more moments together. With Webroot, they know their devices, their data, and their loved ones are safe online. To learn more about protecting your family online, visit webroot.com or go to designingspaces.tv.
The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
For old windows that always let in a chill, it may be time to replace them with new double pane windows that help retain heat and keep the home cooler during hotter weather. Weather stripping, weather foam, rubber tubing, or rigid gaskets can seal windows and frames internally, preventing chilly air from entering the home. You may also need to adjust the hinges. Plus, caulking around the outside of your window will fill gaps where chilly air would enter the home. And don't forget the doors. Check for light pouring in through the cracks of a door frame. Add weather stripping anywhere light seep through. Remember to check periodically if the door can open and close easily throughout this process.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.